channel. In today's video we are going in with a neon vibe type of look using the Profusion neon palette. Now I got this from their website, which I will link it down below, and these colors really caught my attention because girl, the price point, $5. Yes, this was $5. So again, I will link their website down below so you guys can go purchase it. But in today's look, I wanted to play more with the greens and the blues just because I gravitate more towards like purples and reds and stuff like that. But I wanted to do something out of my comfort zone, and definitely I feel like this look came out pretty well. I mean, what do you guys think? Let me know. But before we step into the video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you are not already subscribed, and turn on your post notification bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a video. So right when we get into this video, I'm gonna show you guys how we did this look. Okay, so let's get on with the video. So I've already started with this eye because I didn't know exactly what the vibe I was going for using the cooler tone colors. Well, to me they're like cooler tones, because honestly I would have done these colors, but I've never really played with a lot of blue and greens, so I wanted to incorporate that with this video. So I did start with this eye just to see where I was going with. So I've already primed this eye, and next what we're going to do is take our beauty blender. I have been loving this beauty blender. It is the e.l.f. one. Very cheap, and she's like super bouncy. I really like it. So what I do is I take my translucent powder and I just kind of go like this, make it into a little line, so that way it can give me like that sharpness to it, I guess you could say. And now what we're going to take is our blending brush, and we're going to take this color at C, and we're going to put her in our inner crease, which is like this turquoisey color. Now this does have a lot of fallout, like as you can see, like that. But I mean, it is a $5 palette, but to me I feel like the pigment is there. I just wish I would have had a white base, because I think if I would have had a white base, the colors would have popped even more. Like it would have brought out more of the color. But so far I really like it with this eye. So we're just going to put her in our inner crease. Color that we're going to take is Srsly, which is this one right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to take her in our outer crease, but then also bringing it into a V. So like we're taking it here, angling it a little bit more. Just like how we did it right here. So you see how I'm like dragging her up like that? So that's what we're going to do. So next we're going to take our concealer and our concealer brush, and we're going to cut the crease. So after we cut our crease, I'm going to take this color, which is in the color Psych. It's the only color on here that's the shimmering one, and we're going to pack it right here. Now, as you could tell, she is pigmented, so. Then we are going to go back to where we put our blending crease with it, which was at C, and blend that in together. That way there's no harshness. And a little bit of Seriously. So the next one we're going to take is Logical, which is a neon green, like a lime green. And we're going to use that as our blend right up here. Now I don't have much fallout, maybe just a little bit right here, but I don't mind it because you could just take like your powder brush and then just wipe it off. Next we're going to take our small little pencil brush and the same color that we used in our inner lid to cut the crease that we did with whatever, you know what I mean? We're gonna use Psych again and use that to highlight our brow bone. Now for our, I don't know why, tell me if this happened to you guys. Every time you do your makeup, your nose gets runny. Let me know in the comments down below, because that'd be getting on my nerves. Alright, so next we're going to take at C and we're going to put it on our lower lash line. And Seriously as well, blending those two in together. Let me just dust off the powder. bit of Logical, just a little bit, to blend. There we go. Alright, so now to speed up the process, hopefully you guys don't hate it, but I'm gonna finish off the rest of the face because I don't want to make this video any longer, and I still don't know how to do liner and lashes on camera. So I'm just going to go off camera real quick, put that on, and then finish off the rest of this look. So I'll be right back. Alright, so off camera I finish off the rest of my face just so I can speed up the process a little bit faster in this video. But for liner, what I did was I used the LA Girl Neon Eyeliner Shockwave in the color Fresh. I freaking love their neon line of eyeliners. It's freaking bomb. It's so tight. And for lashes, I am using none other than BeautyCreations 3D Mink lashes in the style Money. So right now we're going to line the lips, put on some setting spray, and then that'll be my final thoughts for the video. So my lip choice of liner is Morphe Love Bite. This is my #1 favorite lip liner from them. Very, very affordable. I think they're around like $4 or $5, and I stocked up, so this is all-time my favorite liner. So we're just gonna line the lips. And I had chapstick on earlier, so I took that off. Next is liquid lipstick, and the choice of liquid lipstick I'm using is Dose of Colors Catching Feelings. And it's like a brown neutral type of liquid lipstick, which I love. Then we're just gonna blend it out. And lastly, we are going to use lip gloss. I mean, you can use liquid lipstick and just stop it right here, but for me, honestly, I love a good lip gloss, and the lip gloss that I'm using is Dose of Colors Honey I'm Home. Blend it out. Now what we're going to do is use some setting spray. And this is the completed look. I really like how this look came out. I mean, I never really gravitate towards these type of colors, but I wanted to do a little bit something different because I always gravitate, if I were to do like a colorful makeup look, I always gravitate towards like the pinks and the purples and the oranges because I know it's gonna match well with my skin tone. So I get really, really nervous about using blues, like cooler tones, just because, I don't know, I just get that vibe. But honestly, I really like how this look came out. I mean, you guys let me know in the comments down below. Now, what do I think about this palette? I think definitely you guys should really pick her up. Only $5, which is very, very affordable. I mean, you get this quality of eyeshadows. They're really, really good. I know that if I were to use like a lighter base other than more of a neutral, I'm pretty sure the colors would have popped even more if you use a lighter tone. But I mean, using a neutral base it's really not that bad. It came out pretty good, if I do say so myself. But yes, you guys should definitely check this out. I know they sell it at Walmart, but I got it directly onto the website. So again, I will link it down below. And I also bought the Spectrum. So if you guys want to see me use her, let me know. But same thing, she was $5. So these two, $5 each, can't go wrong. And if you don't have color eyeshadows for the price point, definitely pick these up. So this is the completed video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. But until next time, te quiero mucho, mis amores. Mwah. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you are not already subscribed. Turn on those post notification bells so that way you get notified every time I upload a video. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you guys enjoyed it. Share it as well, and comment down below on what you guys would like to see next. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.